show you. Meet your new meet. They call this the room. Jewish. This is no time for This is no time for fantasizing.
Kids across Somalia know that wearing can give you sour.
Destroy all squishy.
This isn't funny, Lawrence! Think. Good! Now what?
In Summer City. Have I ever told you about my sauce toast? My son's name is John C. But the universe knows him as Clank.
State your prime objective.
Captain Quark.
Look at this photograph.
Hello, citizens of... My race, the blog, have a small problem.
Oh, am I interrupting?
Lawrence! I'm rehearsing.
Machoka.
No, achoo. And you, my dear boy, look just like John C.
Geronimo!
Did that guy just slide down a sewer pipe? Wow. Yes, jag är rätt råkris. Yes, jag är rätt råkris.
Don't walk away from me! I said stop!
Come on, pal. I want you. I cannot stay.
Gotta go fast! Gotta go fast! Ratchet!
All around me are familiar faces.
I would devour courses like that for breakfast!
Bet that's not all.
X gon' give it to you. Wait for you to get it on your own. X gon' deliver to you. Knock, knock, open up the door, it's real. With the non-stop pump out from stainless steel. Go hard, getting busy with it.
Taste the adrenaline as contestants face off against our Four-armed bandit, the B2 brawler. No living creature is a match for this machine.
What do you Some moonstones. Gee, Gee!
Bring me more moonstones, and crystal, it shall be your reward.
Well. I can take your puny little penis, and with a few tweaks, I can turn it into a powerful weapon. You want me to hook you? But what?
Hand over the experiment now.
I can't do that.
Say goodbye to your testes.
Robotic citizens of the Solana Galaxy.
I'll give you $600.
As for you filthy organic life forms, you can look forward to being fisted.
Final step?
Die! Hello, citizens of as I, Chairman Drek, have a small problem. So, what does this mean to you might ask? Nothing! My ass has become so poisonous that my ass are no longer able to dwell here. But I, Chairman Drek, have a solution. My ass will blow, gasp, and drift into the sun where it will explode. Unfortunately, my sacrifice must be made. Thank you for your cooperation.
What? Oh! And we both decided it's time to go back to the way things were, you know? Fixing shit, playing shit, holo games till 3 in the morning. Leave the hero shit to the other guys.
Like Galactic President Quark.
Shit.
Ratchet? What? I believe what Ratchet is trying to say is, I am sure President Quark will not rest.
Let's check in with President Quark. President Quark? President Quark?
Hi! Will you marry me?
Well, obviously.
I've been collecting brains from telepathopuses as a hobby.
You collect brains as a hobby? Whoa. I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say you're single. Single.
Oh, that was terrible.
And this? Well, this Copernicus Quark.
Come on!